okay? The next one is a capital letter, and then the next word is also a capital letter. So it's lowercase initials, uppercase first word, uppercase second word, uppercase third word, et cetera, et cetera. Just so that's how we do the delineation of words that are important. I have had students in the past that literally wrote 500 words to describe what it was going on, and Maya doesn't like that. It's not happy. It gets kind of like it gets lost. And so when you keep things properly organized like that, it makes your life a lot easier. So that is the type of file structure that I would like you to have when you save stuff in Maya. There are other programs, and we can talk about that too. But specifically for Maya, this is how I'd like you to do it.
If you're enjoying our free content, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, head on over to DMI.edu to learn more about our online courses, where you can grow even more into the techniques professionals use today. We don't just teach software, we teach industry. Be sure to learn more at DMI.edu.
Now let's talk about one of the other things too that you do in Maya. Obviously, you're going to light stuff, you're going to color it, you're going to give it something to look at. Now, one of the things that I'm going to zoom in here on my sphere, and okay, right now it's this lovely shade of gray, super not interesting. Let's say we want to make this thing red. Okay, so I'm going to just click on it to select it. And then I'm going to right click on it. And that's going to bring up a marking menu here. And what I want you to do is go down to right here where it says material attributes. Okay. And I'm going to click on that. And that's going to open up a new thing over here. And I'm going to move my my screen over here a little bit so you can see what's going on. I know my picture ends up in the corner up here. So this is you can see the edge here. All right, so this is the attributes menu for it. So this is just the another way to look at the numeric values of where it is. Currently, it's sitting at 1000, right? This is the shape tab. There's lots of things that you can do about how many polygons are in there and that sort of thing. But I'm going to move all the way to the far right here. I'm going to click on this. And you can see right here where it says Lambert 1. That is the texture name that's the default texture that Maya uses. It's called Lambert. Okay. We basically want to make sure that we don't stay with Lambert on anything. So we're gonna create a new. So right here, I'm going to assign a new material for it. So I'm going to right click on it one more time. And I'm going to say assign new material, right? It's right below material attributes here. So I'm going to do that. And we're going to get the materials that are up. Okay. So instead of using Lambert, I'd like to use standard surface. Okay. In this current version of Maya, we use a program called Arnold. And Arnold is the rendering program that we use. It's what draws the images and creates it all. And so Arnold's surfacing one is called standard surface. It's got a bunch more of them, but we're going to use that. So when I click on that, now it's changed from Lambert 1 to standard surface. And so I'm going to double click here, and I'm going to just name it sphere. Like that. I'm just going to call it sphere. I will say that it's important that as you create objects that you change the name pretty quickly for the surface, because when you start working with large groups of objects, if one comes in and it's got a name of Lambert 1 and another object comes in with the same name of Lambert 1, it starts all defaulting back to this lovely shade of gray that we have because Maya gets confused.